Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Ford Fusion door panel, only ways. Start by lowering the window and removing visible screws from the armrest and door handle trim. Use a trim tool to gently pry out plastic covers and access hidden fasteners. Unclip the switch panel and disconnect wiring plugs carefully. Remove the mirror triangle cover by prying at its edge. Then pull the door panel upward to release the retainers and set the panel aside safely. Begin by finding all fasteners, including screws behind the armrest and under small plastic caps. Use a Phillips driver on accessible screws and a trim tool to pry loose hidden clips. Gently separate the switch trim to unplug electrical connectors with your fingertips. Work methodically around the panel edges to release each retainer. Avoid forcing the panel, which can break clips. Once all clips are free, lift the panel upward to clear the window channel and set it down. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel grow and supports more content. Quick recommendation. On another note, life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are comfy during long garage sessions and hold up to hard use. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the panel loose but still nearby, reach behind and disconnect wiring harnesses, including power window and lock plugs. Depress each release tab fully before pulling to avoid damage. If connectors are tight, wiggle gently while holding the connector body, not the wire. Set all electrical parts on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Inspect the inner door for moisture barriers you may need to reseal during reinstallation. Keep track of small clips and screws for accurate reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.